English Learning TV.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our English conversation practice. Today, we're going to learn some easy and useful English sentences that you can use every day, at home, at school, or with your friends. Let's practice speaking with confidence and have fun together. I love my family.
I love my family.
I have a hat.
I have a hat.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I have shoes.
I have shoes.
I play with dolls.
I play with dolls.
I like cookies.
I like cookies.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
I see a tree.
I see a tree.
I love my teacher.
I love my teacher.
I like candy.
I like candy.
I play basketball.
I play basketball.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I see flowers.
I see a flowers.
I have a pet fish.
I have a pet fish.
I have a kite.
I have a kite.
I play in the park.
I play in the park.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I love my grandma.
I love my grandma.
I have a jacket.
I have a jacket.
I like to run.
I like to run.
I am silly.
I am silly.
I see a train.
I see a train.
I have a lunchbox.
I have a lunchbox.
I play with blocks.
I play with blocks.
I have a scarf.
I have a scarf.
I like to read.
I like to read.
I am caring.
I am caring.
I have a sweater.
I have a sweater.
I play in the sand.
I play in the sand.
I eat vegetables.
I eat vegetables.
I love my grandpa.
I love my grandpa.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I see a bike.
I see a bike.
I love my cousin.
I love my cousin.
I have mittens.
I have mittens.
I like popcorn.
I like popcorn.
I am helpful.
I am helpful.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I play hide and seek.
I play hide and seek.
I see a boat.
I see a boat.
I have ribbon.
I have ribbon.
I play on the side.
I play on the side.
I eat snacks.
I eat snacks.
I love my aunt.
I love my aunt.
I have a gloves.
I have a gloves.
I like hot chocolate.
I like hot chocolate.
I am cheerful.
I am cheerful.
I see a bus.
I see a bus.
I have a socks.
I have a socks.
I drink lemonade.
I drink lemonade.
Great job, everyone! Now, you know how to use daily English sentences in your conversations. Keep practicing and speaking every day to become a super English speaker. See you next time.